So for question number 4, may nagtanong, need po ba ng malaking funds? Okay, actually the question is too short but I understand what she meant. And this is actually a good question. Kasi I've been receiving a lot of questions similar. Like, they were concerned about yung funds nila or yung money to show for their application. So, to answer this, isa lang yung kasagutan ko dito. Because for what I know, every embassy, if you're applying for a Schengen visa, they will never state or they will never give you the exact amount na kailangan mong i-meet for this application. Okay? Hindi sila dyan nagbe-base lang because isa naman na yung funds kung saan pwede nilang makita kung kaya mong i-provide yung expenses mo kapag nandito ka na sa Europe as tourist. Pero kapag you're employed naman or you own a business, they will also see to this kung may financial means ka talaga to support your bank statements na pinapakita. Meaning, for those applicant na self-employed or may business, they will be able to see on your bank statements yung regular cash flow niyan. They will be able to see yung mga sales na pumapasok at kung ano yung mga lumalabas. So, dyan yung binibase nila, okay? And of course, kapag mag-Europe kasi din tayo and if you plan to visit Europe, given na expensive dito, then of course, kapag mag-a-apply kayo ng visa, it is normal that you have to provide enough funds for your application. Kung pa pwede nga, more than enough to prove, diba? Pero kasi, I cannot really give you exact digits. Like, I cannot really give you the exact amount kung saan kailangan yung i-provide for your application. Nakadepende talaga to siya sa bawat embassy. And if ever you're still curious to know, kasi I know that there are still people still asking me, like, ma'am, magkano ba talaga? Like, ganito, ganyan. Magkano ba talaga? Kahit yung estimated lang. Okay, so if you're really curious to know kung magkano talaga yung pwede nyong i-provide, you can write your question on the comment box about ilang days yung stay nyo dito sa Europe and kung anong country in Europe yung pupuntahan nyo so that I can give you a estimation. And one more thing, provide funds as much as you can provide, okay? For as long as genuine ang funds mo, for as long as genuine traveler ka, because you have to know lahat ng mga embassy, kahit pa generous sila magbigay ng visa or mag-issue ng visa, they will know kung genuine traveler ka or not. Okay? You have to be aware about this.